This is Tremadog, built by the local landowner and MP William Maddox in 1805, after he'd reclaimed Tremadog, the Glaslyn estuary, from the sea by building the cob. Initially, he called the settlement Pentre Gwaelod, meaning the bottom village. He built an imposing town hall, a market square and a coaching inn, and he hoped that the new town would eventually become a stopping off point on the route between London and Portdenllain, which at the time was expected to become the main Welsh port linking to Dublin. The main streets were named London Street and Dublin Street. Of course, Holyhead was eventually chosen as the main port. As part of his design, he built a Gothic revival style church for the Anglicans behind me, and a classical style chapel for the Methodists. T.E. Lawrence, Lawrence of Arabia, was born here in 1888. Maddox built his new town just below the imposing cliffs of Craig y Castell and Allt Wen, which provide a stunning backdrop to the town today and which attract climbers from near and far.